Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to unblur the home screen wallpaper on iPhone and iPad. So let's start the video. First, go to the settings menu on your iPhone and iPad. Now scroll down and tap on wallpaper. Now tap customize on the wallpaper on the right. Tap on the blur toggle switch to turn it off. Tap done at the top right corner of the page. So friends, after turning it off, your wallpaper will be unblurred on your iPhone. And if this method doesn't work, try the next method on your device. For that, open the settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. On the accessibility page, tap on display and text size. Now toggle on reduce transparency to disable the blur effect on your home screen wallpaper. That's all you have to do.